And you can see that the floor is separating from the wall there.
You told us to buy this house without seeing it.
Welcome back, Remodelites. My name is Dave with Remodel Media, and for the last 15 years, I've helped people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, various other home renovation projects. My mission in life is to eliminate regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an episode. As you may recall in a previous episode, guys, this is my son Joshua from Joshua's Videos, and we have an announcement for you. We bought something. What did we buy?
A new house.
Where is it?
Virginia.
We bought a house in Stonega, Virginia, and we'll be heading out there this Friday. You can follow us on social media, hashtag Remodel Road Trip. Now, this house isn't any ordinary house, is it, Joshua?
No.
Tell the folks about it.
It's not very... Yeah. Well, let's just say...
You can tell them it's a fixer-upper.
Well, let's just say it's a fixer-up.
It needs a lot of work. What are some of the things that you remember from the photos?
A chunk of the ceiling was missing.
Did you see anything weird in the bathrooms?
Yes, a toilet was in the bathtub.
How did the kitchen look?
They're all beat up and torn up.
They were. So this Friday, we are heading out. What are we going in?
ARV.
Yep, we just got an RV, and we're heading out this Friday, and we will be broadcasting from the road. You can follow us on social media, hashtag Remodel Road Trip. This is going to be an exciting adventure, and this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, so wish us luck. Well, today you're going to find out exactly how that trip went. The carpet was discolored, and one of our big worries was that there was either roof or foundation problems. And so that was something that we paid very close attention to, is both roof and foundation, because those are probably the biggest, most costly fixes that are going to be needed for a house like this. So we were very mindful to watch out for water damage and to make sure that we paid attention to small details like that. No, it's not wet. It's just stained. As you heard me say, the discoloration in the carpet was
very
just
musty
stains, not water damage.
I don't know, but like this is... Somebody made the comment that we shouldn't do away with things that make this place charming. I think this nice fireplace would be one of those features.
Now, that's true. That fireplace was not bad. Wasn't great. Could use a spruce up, but definitely not something I want to get rid of. Not one of the features I would get. That definitely adds to the country feel. Absolutely, having a log on the fire.
So let's go first.
Hold on. Hold on.
I'm the lightest, so I will go first.
Okay.
You'll sacrifice yourself?
Go, Jesse, go.
Excuse me.
I can't.
That scared me.
What a little trooper. So I don't know if you heard that. Joshua said he was afraid that the steps might break. And Alexandra said, well, somebody has to try it out. So he volunteered to sacrifice himself to the family. Good boy.
Something you won't be able to do upstairs. These steps are really, really small. Like my foot doesn't even fit. Yeah, Mom. I don't.
You may have to sideways crab walk to get up.
I'm not sure that I should even try. These steps are so short. I'll have to figure it out.
I don't know if you guys can tell from here, but my wife obviously has some mobility issues. So one of the key elements that I want to bring into this house is the idea of universal design. I want to bring in things that make the house livable, whether you're perfectly abled or otherwise. I want to have it be accessible, whether you're 5 or 105, because you see that's one of the main concepts behind universal design. Now in this bathroom, you can see this was the infamous bathroom that was in the photographs, with the toilet inside the bathtub. A clawfoot bathtub, by the way. So there's a good chance that we will probably refurbish that and keep that also as an original piece to the home. New fixtures, things like that, of course, but as long as it is watertight and we can reglaze it, that's what we're going to do.
Interesting.
I'm scared to go in that room.
There's like 4 pennies just in this room.
My daughter, the whole time we were there, she was finding pennies and nickels laying all over the place.
She's collecting coins all over the house.
She's like Mario. Bling, 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 bling.
And she collected every single one, put it in her purse. So.
The thing that causes me concern, Ben, is a lot of these rooms are crooked. Like tilted, slanted.
This one's up, and then as you walk,
This goes downhill, yeah. And you can see that the floor is separating from the wall there.
You told us to buy this house without seeing it. Oh my God, what the hell is that?
Oh my god, that looks like a new paper jacket.
You're so screwed.
Yeah.
To be very honest, I actually expected this kind of problem. This house is actually on a raised foundation. I don't think we're as screwed as they think we are, but this is going to be some work.
I said. I told you so. I told you so.
I wonder what would happen if we just held on to the property for a little while and then sold it.
What do you mean?
Like sold the property.
Without fixing it up, you can't sell it. Who wants to buy this? No one wants to buy this. Did you see how your reaction was to, oh my God, this is not going to work? That's going to be every other person's reaction. Which is why it's probably been sitting. Or a football fan.
Hey dogs. Yeah?
Fire.
Is that what you think happened?
Well, it's like, it's crispy, like ashy, like,
Yeah, that.
and it's black, like fire. Missy. Yes,
Keep an eye on that burn mark, that scorch mark up there, because there's a little story time coming for that later.
She came up the stairs.
she wants to see where
The house itself is actually really rather spacious. They used to be duplexes, but it used to be that 2 coal mining families would live in each house, and it was split down the middle.
obviously the girls' room though, because there's like a fake nail.
Mm-hmm.
They graffitied the closet.
Yeah, the first thing I saw
No,
was
this is a teenage girl, I guarantee it. There's Brittany, David Forever, Derek loves Crystal.
Remember, the neighbors said that there were squatters in here for a while, so it could have been one of them.
Yeah, so there's a story coming for that here later too.
yeah, the first thing I saw when I walked in here was Pokemon.
A little Harry Potter room under the stairs.
And be accessible from.
Wait a minute. We are looking at, okay, maybe that's for the toilet?
I got temporarily confused here. I couldn't figure out why I was seeing a tub and no other hookup for any other fixtures. You know, you can have a bathroom without a tub. You can't really have a bathroom without a toilet. Bathroom sketchy. Water heater sketchy. Everything about this place is sketchy.
The water heater
Look at
is.
that exposed plumbing like that.
Basic tub shower surround. Like, basic.
Yeah, look how short that vanity is. That has to be like a 32-inch vanity or something like that.
They should be like right up here. That's okay.
Yeah. Because if this, what's your actual money? Because if this was a bedroom, we'd probably want to the floor. Hello?
You what?
If this was a bedroom,
Interesting
we'd
tile.
walled this off and made it an actual room. Okay, so this could seriously be a bedroom. This could still be like the living room. Or this could be the living room. Maybe this. Hell, that's got a closet. Intended to be a bedroom. When you come in the front door, oh, this is probably a coat closet. But we could turn this whole room here into a master bedroom.
She got plans. This is where we discovered the scorch marks above the stove. There's a story time coming for that too. That's a lot of wood in that particular kitchen. And it's definitely a very late 70s, early 80s kind of a vibe for me. I get that the look they're going for is country, traditional, rustic, and maybe for the day this was considered it, but well, let's just say I've got some plans for that. I was actually very surprised I didn't see any melted circuit breakers or anything like that, considering all the fire duct jets inside. This is the backyard. This is the garage right here. I don't know if you would call this actually a garage. It's more like a really large shed or workshop or something like that. That area right there that looks like a door that's been covered over, that's one of the secondary entrances when it was a duplex. That's the other back door, the mirror image to the back door I just came out of. And this is my backyard. Nothing but forest as far as the eye can see. And that's pretty cool. And of course, right across the street from our front yard, a babbling brook. The neighbors told me an interesting story about how the original homeowner had severe ADD and would often leave things cooking and come back later and find things ablaze, which explained the scorch marks above the stove. There were also scorch marks in an upper bedroom, which I'm told was the result of an electrical blanket accident. This is going to be an interesting project, and I hope to take you guys along with me. So, as I said before, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, share it with all your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.